This video, I'm gonna do like a little day in the lifestyle type vlog. You know, it's a really good week with CPA marketing. I actually can show you guys some results on my phone right here. So let me bring up my stats and go to actually volume right here. And yeah, so you can see so far today, refresh. I don't know if you guys can focus, but you can see I made about $1,200. Yeah, so $1,200 in profit, $1,800 in revenue. We also can go to yesterday, see what I did altogether. So altogether, $2,900 in profit, over $4,000 in revenue. And so you can just see what I did for the last 7 days. Hit apply. Okay, you can see I made about 17,000, almost like damn near 18,000 and 26,000 in revenue. So yeah, it's still 10 o'clock in the morning, so that number is going to go up for the week. And yeah, it's just been a really good vacation. Just been catching some vibes. This vacation is actually free, guys. So yes, this room was free because of the points that I got. That's why it's kind of basic. It's a free room or whatever. They even gave me complimentary late checkout, so I check out in a couple more hours. But I'm gonna hit a new resort, one that I actually paid for. So that room's a lot more better, upgraded and stuff like that. It's all inclusive, so it's gonna come with drinks and stuff like that. So just show you a little bit around the room. But it's a nice room, little rainfall shower, stuff like that. It's all right. It's kind of basic, but yeah, it's cool. As you can see, I also got a new camera also. DJI Pocket 2, so you guys can see how cool that is. Yeah, really loving this new camera, incognito. I say it's like a camera for introverts. I don't know if you guys know, I'm really introvert. I don't like people to see me recording. That's why it's really hard to do day in the life videos, because I get a lot of looks when I walk around with a tripod and a big camera. So that's why I bought this camera, to make it a lot easier. So you might be getting a lot more day in the life and a lot more vlog style content. So now that I got this camera, as you can see, I need to finish packing up the rest of my stuff. I only brought 2 pairs of shoes on this vacation because most of the time I'll be in my slides. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish packing up the rest of this stuff, check out of this room, probably grab some breakfast, I don't know, but I'm gonna just check out of this resort and I'm gonna hit the next one. Nice. The beach is much better here.
Yeah. But that's like 2 days ago, because 3 days ago, it was really bad.
Really? Like the seaweed and stuff?
Not the
or the weather?
No, I mean the waves.
Oh, okay.
So that, it's going to destroy everything at the beach.
Oh, wow. And I need reservations for this, sir?
I'm going to take care of that. Are you here for any special occasion or just?
Yeah, just vacation, chilling.
There is the Indian. So we have 4 of our restaurants: Indian, steak, Italian, and seafood. And this is the buffet. For breakfast, it's open from 7 to 10:30.
This the buffet?
Yeah, 12:30 to 3:30, and the dinner from 6 to 10 p.m.
Okay.
So I need to check the status of the room. It's about to be ready. I don't know if you would like to eat something first, or give me like 10 minutes waiting for me at the bar until.
Yeah, I can eat. Alright guys, so I just checked into the new resort. Just finished lunch and everything. So my room is finally ready. So just checking out the room for the first time. Okay, shower's pretty cool. Another rainfall type vibe with the shower. So yeah, this room looks a lot better than the last room. Got a jacuzzi tub. So definitely gonna be using this tonight. They give you free liquor, stuff like that. Free bottle of tequila. Definitely gonna be drinking that. Complimentary stuff in the mini fridge also. Some Presidente, water, apple juice, soda, stuff like that. It's pretty neat. I love these all-inclusive type resorts. Nice little bed, nice TV, and we can see this is the swim out pool right here. You guys know I've been loving the swim outs this year. Guy in a Speedo. There's the swim out pool right here. Beach back there in the background. Bar nice and close. But this room is pretty cool, guys. Definitely gonna enjoy this stay. So yeah, guys, I'm actually gonna have a shot right now. Let me open this up and have a shot with you guys on camera. I think that'd be kind of cool. So yeah, we got some Bergal. This is like the Dominican tequila. So I'm gonna pour up a shot and take it with you guys. They didn't give me no shot glasses, so I'm about to take it in this little cup right here. I need a chaser too. Let me get a little chaser. Let's see what I should chase it with, y'all. I'm gonna chase it with some orange soda. I'm gonna chase it with this orange soda right here. So I'm gonna chase it with that. I can't really do shots, you know, straight up. I be needing chasers and stuff. Call me what you want, but I be needing chasers. So, all right. Ooh. I don't know, that might be a little more than a shot, guys. I don't know. But let's take the shot, open up the chaser. Take this shot. All right. Cheers, guys. Woo! That was strong. But we gotta get this party started. I'm actually about to change into some beach clothes, hit the beach. So I'll see you guys when I get to the beach. All right, guys, so I made it to the beach. As you can see, I got me a nice little spot under the little tree. The beach is looking crazy. The waves is absolutely insane. Let's check it out. I don't even know how I'm gonna get down here. Waves is crazy at this beach, so I don't know how deep I'm gonna go. So yeah, guys, I'm about to just go for a swim, catch a vibe. I guess I'll check back in with you guys after I go for a swim. So I just got done from swimming, guys. I just got hounded at the beach, bought some souvenirs. He charged me like 20 bucks for this. And he engraved it. It says Punta Cana 2023. I also got these two bracelets, Dominican bracelet and it's a little bracelet right here. But yeah, I was swimming, but the waves is just crazy. I don't know if you guys can see, but the waves are absolutely nuts. So I'm just gonna relax under this tree right here, or I don't think it's a tree, it's like, I don't know, some type of shaded makeshift tree or whatever. But I just got this new audio book on Audible, so I'm actually about to listen to it. Here it is right here. Let's see. Hustle Harder, Hustle Smarter. It's 50 cents book. So I'm about to actually listen to a couple of the chapters it is while I'm out by the beach, since the water, it's like a red flag. I don't know if you guys seen it in the other clip, but it's a red flag. So it's really not safe to go out there. I'm not trying to drown or anything like that. So I'm just going to stay here, listen to this audio book, and I'll catch you on the next clip. So yeah, guys, since the waves are so crazy at the beach, I'm actually about to go and swim at the swim out. So I just got done swimming. Now I'm trying to figure out what they got for room service. For dinner, looks like Caesar salad, burger, chicken fingers, salad wrap. Yeah, so I might just eat some of this stuff right here, because I don't think I want to go back out tonight. Plus, I need to edit this video so I can put this out for tomorrow. So you guys gonna be seeing this most likely a day later. Probably gonna get this lasagna, spaghetti, and a salad. Gonna order this for sure. Get this sent to the room, and I'm actually gonna take one of these jacuzzi baths also tonight. So that's gonna wrap up my day for today. So yeah, I just went to the swim out or whatever. I closed it up because it's still a party out there and they can see right in here. About to fill up this jacuzzi tub, order some room service for dinner, and that's gonna be the end of my day, man. Just a little day in the life of, you know what I'm saying, man, when you make it with CPA marketing, when you a super affiliate, you can live this lifestyle, live life on vacation, live life of your dreams, man. I'm telling you, man, if you ain't been already running campaigns and testing, it's worth it. Look at the life I live. If you want to live a life like this, do what I do, man. Copy what I do, all right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.